To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Nature, nurture. In this video, we will look at the difference between nature and nurture. Nature refers to our genetics. This includes the genes that we have inherited from our parents. These inherited genes determine our characteristics. For example, eye color, hair color, and our blood group. Nurture refers to environmental effects that can determine our characteristics. This can include life experiences or our lifestyle that affects our characteristics. Some examples are diseases such as diabetes, a person's accent when they speak, and weight. Some characteristics can be determined by both nature and nurture. For example, height.